hello mga ka-keeper ko, magja-jogging ako ngayon. Dito lang sa loob ng building. Kasi sa labas may snow tapos madulas. So keep on watching. Ang gagawin natin ay stretching. Walang ibang tao dito sa building kundi ako lang. Alright? So ganun lang. Keep on watching. Kuy ko, inon ko na tong ano ko. Yan. Alright? May sounds pa, no?
God! Wow!
Beginning workout. 33 seconds. Distance 5.08 kilometers. Average pace 5:01 per kilometer.
Hey, it's Coach Bennett, your Nike Plus Run Club head coach. Done. The run is done. And you just got a little closer to that best version of yourself.
So ayan mga kakikoy ko. Katatapos ko lang ng 5.08 kilometer. Take note ha. 5 kilometer at 0.08 meter. Close to 1 meter, 100 meter. So that's it for today. Actually, it's my pleasure to have a privilege here in this building. Not because I'm a resident here, just because I'm a caretaker here in this building. So thank you to all my bosses, all right? And I did not mention this to my blog previously. I have a goal. When my birthday is coming, this month of May, I promise myself to get my age 56. So I'm 55 now. In few days I'm 56. So I promise myself I have to run 56 kilometer from the beginning of May until the close to my birthday. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kiko YouTube TV. Thank you so much. I wanna say daghang salamat nanay sa pag dako nimo sa ako ug sa akong mga igsuon. Dili lang ako, sa upat nimo nga anak. Sana nasa mabuti kapang kalagayan. I know you're strong. Kita tayo soon. Alright? And to all my sister, my two brother, ingat kayo palagi. Siyempre, to my kikay, she is support me. Sometimes she's teasing me, you're not fast enough. Alright? Nanonood din yun ng vlog ko. So ayun lang. Thank you so much mga kakikoy ko. Bye bye. Ayaw